Integrating a mailing list subscribe form into your web page using Hostinger's website builder can significantly boost your email marketing efforts. Here's how to add this feature. Step 1. Start by opening the Hostinger website builder. Step 2. In the editor, locate and expand the Add Element panel on the left.
Step 3. Find the subscribe element within this panel. Step 4. Drag and drop the subscribe element to your preferred location on your page. Alternatively, to add a subscription form section, click Add Section, visible on the horizontal border of any section. From the left menu, choose the subscribe form.
Select your preferred section template on the right and click on it to add it to your page. Step 5. Click on the subscription form element to access more options like edit, duplicate, delete, and resize. Step 6. Click Edit Form to adjust its settings. Here you can rename the form and view form submissions. Add, edit, or remove fields, change their order, specify required fields, and select from supported field types such as short answer, paragraph, single choice, or multiple choice.
Rename the Submit button, change its position, and specify post-submission actions like showing a thank you message or redirecting to another page. In the style settings, choose a primary or secondary theme, set a color image background, change the padding, and add animations to the element.
By following these steps, you can easily add a subscribe form to your Hostinger website, helping to grow your mailing list and enhance your online presence.